Mary, Queen of Scots, was born on a bitterly cold winter's day at Linlithgow Palace. It was so cold that winter that the sea had frozen over in places, and ships were delayed for weeks off the coast of Newcastle. The date was December 8th, 1542, a Friday, which happened to lay on the same day as the feast of the Immaculate Conception of the Virgin Mary. Linlithgow Palace was one of the grandest, most luxurious buildings in Scotland at the time, and had been recently fitted in the latest Renaissance style. A messenger was immediately sent to give word to the king that the new heir of Scotland had been born. Mary's parents had just lost both their children, an 11-month-old son and an 8-day-old baby boy, within days of each other, only 20 months earlier. So there was an incredible amount of anticipation and trepidation for news of the outcome of the birth. Mary's father had retreated to Falkland Palace, devastated by news of the Scots' defeat at the Battle of Solway Moss, a battle sparked by Henry VIII's aggression, and was lying bedridden in a delirious state with a terrible fever. When he was told that his newborn child was a girl, it was said, Mary's father uttered the words, "Adieu, farewell. It came with a lass, and it will pass with a lass." Mary's father, James V, died 6 days later, and Mary became Queen of Scotland at the tender age of 6 days old.